Hello everybody, this is Mike from the LangShack. So this is the Papiamento lesson today. We're going to talk about serial verbs today. So serial verbs are verbs that are basically verbs that are in sequence. So if you're saying something like, I stopped to tell them, I live to tell, I love to blah blah, I like to run, I'm leaving and coming back. Like stuff like this where you have where you make sentences that have more than one verb that's involved, then you do this. So the example sentences they have here are mita by being. I'm leaving and coming back. Mita para bisanan. I stop and tell them. Mita gusta usa Spano. I like to use Spanish. So basing the stuff on these here. So we got some new verbs here. So let's say I like to tell them to come. I like to tell them to come back from school. No. I'm trying to think of something here. So let's just say I like to tell them. Mita gusta bisanan. Mita gusta bisanan by being. I like to tell them to go and come back. Mita gusta bisanan by being. How would I say I like to drive. I like to drive. Mita gusta corre un auto. How would you say I tell them to stop every day? So the word for every is tur, which I learned today looking at that course. So tur dia is every day. So let's say I tell them to stop. I tell them to stop every day. Or let's say you tell them to stop every day. Bota bisa nan para tur dia. How would you say let's see. I came to stop. So ma being para. I came to stop. I tell I say no. How would you say I say to use Spanish. We can use bisa because I don't actually know how to say that's actually any different. So we'll use bisa as tell. So we'll say, how would you say I say to stop Spanish, or I say to stop. I say to use Spanish. Me bisa usa Spano. How would you say I love to eat strawberries? Mi stima come. Mi stima come arve. Okay. How would you say see Gustav's bombing. I read to leave. So leave, I guess leave could be buy. Let's just use buy for leaving. So that's what they use an example. So I read to leave. So malesa bay. Malesa bay nakas. Let's see. How would you say I read to left, okay. I do, yeah. I make to, no, that doesn't make sense. I say to eat. Mi bisa come. Okay. So this should be enough practice for the concept. Of this, of serial verbs in Papiamento. Next, we're going to move on to possession in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.